Newire robo kunjuma ine kune tite bobo yanku wata wene Nteto tia Weru Thaa Mugwanja mitawa MUTEMBEI ya Rwanda. Merisa wa kithomo kauntini ya Meru Daktari Rukunga na kathite gavana Meru Mutuma Ntwethingia no ntupo matalera kinyite kiro kire kithomo KCD na kinya kio bundi akerekiri mambura yo kungura kithomo ntereche muthara wite ntupo bwatethira bonene kiro kire kithomo ki na nkulukio kiria mbeu embithi na wakerekia thono ki munini wa gavana Dinda Kiome na kathite gavana Mutuma no ntupo thirikari yo kinya matalia manene kiro kinyaniria mirandi ya witi na mbere.
Kiaria ntuo ya kithomo cukuru primary ya Kinangaru ira yigonde muthara giciko bunge Tigana East minisa wa mantuma kithomo kaunti Meru na Dr. Rukunga ariwa kirutongeria bo gavana Mutuma Ntwethingia mantumegeni na gukire kithomo KCD na kakinya polytechnics yugirite bonene kaunti Meru kiringithano no tongere bo mangavana babangi bare agumbere
atiari na twana twa ECD ibo kunywa choro arimo beto mochara yonu ne ate yokari iko poa saa hizi bokinya ira barabara ne ate terera borona kinya mtu ake lokete wa ikonja huu arimo beto dai kore arimo kinyamba ko wata mechara nkoro kikinye 60,000 witia no to bambi boy his excellency Mutuma Ntwethingia no to baburadi tie weya ke irasi bieto itwakete irasi bibinge na ne mwaka yomwe ngavana wetu ariete atwa mwankoroki twa mwatano fresh ne ataridia bonene daiyo o eta polytechnic tieto itwambirete kodivia manto ya kobwevya njwere yonto ya ichakwa chumete ke metindi Mario. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Metindi yambi era twaturota tukayitangira ng'ombe imwe korera nau daiyo twabweta twana boto bati koborera mutindi yomwe kilo imwe nembia yana nerebwethia njwere yana twambereria twa karande twathiria yau tukeya na tuborere metindi yu yonde na twambereria kubwethia njwere. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Na ne aditwa bakwa ba polytechnic ibo ba kodithia ingaba no re konge we yathwania metindi no ibwethia njwere
miario yo tombaru munini wa gavana kaunti wa Meru no Dinda Kiome ora kinya wakiare kia thoni weki augite ngugira gavana Mutuma rutete na mwankomo na nyonire muteni ni kumiona
uterero manto za maternity ya Muthara iria gavana wetu ombete ko make sure ewakwa na nenderete witerwa nguge na ena theater ikenda gukethra kwina emergency kurobeto batekezi kuri wathina twana tweto itokonywa choro arimo na ochoro bobo ne gavana wetu retete na kinya this financial year twana tweto nitubangiri ora tukenderea kunywa ochoro na bopigwa aritani beto bairasi bibi nini ibaitetheretwe cheo bae wa promotion ikenda bomba kuri wa pesa injega support ile tuletete aza narwa ni support ile gavana Mutuma wengwa atutumite nayo
beto toina gavana Mutuma korone tieto toina gavana Mutuma korone tieto
ripoti la ndotia Weru kuma cukuru primary ya Kinangaru ntereche Tigana East mbeta wa John Thega
akarina tumiri barabara ya kuma kigani moka kithino ne bakutheta no ntubo kuthuka ko barabara yu pariwa barabara ira batene dhanci cia kariga na mwembe thuki bonene na kariba te kuona kwitira kana kinya kumiria makethayo nene bakuromba gavana wa Muthomi Njuki na mubunge wa Gitonga Murugara kumira na mpwe ko babwithira barabara ikenda kubeberia kinya mara kiu
Kari bare batumagira njira kigani kuthima njwere kithino kumira tunyai wa dia kariga ne bacokerete kurutha maandamano kairi no ntuba kuthuka kwa njira ino aria beriga kurutha maandamano kairi meri menini mekuruku indi bero bamathirie bae wa wirane wa ikathondekwa
tio turi amde maandamano tika twamberia maandamano mde twina maandamano the last time toda maandamano ntuba tukathondekerwa njira ingavana wetu twena mucemanio twita mucemanio wa DCC na tutigania maandamano atuthondekera njira since that time pata ukinya guthondekera njira
DCC ndugo ya mbere twena maandamano na njire na atu promise na ukinya county arira office atwira agutunenkera 2 weeks thaino ikuthira mieri 3 tigore turi antu na tabale kuri matiero ara ega tiwa na kongi tiwa turiko katwe Uganda kai Tanzania
tutanenkanira kura cietu tacieye noma noma tweyenda tacia muntu muro omukuru na tutapeana kiragita kia kitiramirara ndagacania mutonga gitoka gitiramirara
bariuga njira ino ire gwatithanagia ekaribati akarigana ba mwembe rutere rwa kare ni thondeketwe indi ya kwao yatigwa itendo the
mheshimiwa wetu Jinji wanakaa kiti moja na mheshimiwa wetu Kareke Mpiuki kinywa NDM beka ande golo da gete kimwe na MCA wa mwembe kakuota shwari kaka kuota kutambesha kule manjirako ka MP wakale akutambesha cha kule manjirako tuligo mbe arakindekia up to the day arakindekia twale thaitu nao namenya tharaka yetu especially achekariga itu atero to thirata tukiatara ntu betu turuga kindekire na rute muntu ake omwe na ya turimira njira cietu cia kigani gakirwo na nguru
twithinira gatanjinjwa nethoka barabara antu baunikire maguru ogo bathira nontu bo twikika itukuria kiragita kira kiaremire kuma ndagacani kuthibwa kare kiragita iki gukinyara kiathirira maguta
bariuga bakathi na mbere kurutha maandamano mwankagereria baketho bakithikirua
twerira kietu for that simple reason even tomorrow we are here the day after tomorrow until Friday if at all they are not responding we are continuing no that surrender therefore kwa kube tigo tutonoga na tukenderea
bariuria atongoria bao kwetho bakiumiria kubathondekera njira ino
inu barabara ira yaterwe ni undi uria gitonga murugara akarite kumia nke 10 ana ya barabara ni eno barabara eno ri imbiagiritie turimira ndi uria mheshimiwa muthomi njoki kirakita kikiare mira barabara ene kare gai akinyire agatio gwatuka tutiona kirakita gia turimira
nkiripotera Weru TV kuma Tharaka Mbita Makena Uambabu
abisa munene ugima kaunti-ini ya Embu Patrick Mukavi augite nibekirite mbeca cia kuingia mabatu ya mandaktari kiri mbanjitire kubuithwa kaiteneka ya kaunti u mandaktari baragomere ntuku yoro bakienda witithwa nkathi kuongererwo mishara na kinya barabandiki na kibarua kwandikwo na kandarasi cia kiuntwire
kwa maundu makoretwe matai aruti etu a wira matai athingirie uria meranirite kuma mwaka wa 2024 lakini well famwe maundu mau ni andu aria makoretwe matai promote miaka mingi ni twitaga stagnating at the same job group ni marenda mathie promote wavo kwi o makoretwe magiruta wira under contract for quite some time ni marenda nao matuike permanent and pensionable. Therefore, as the county government ucio mubango twinaguo budget ino irarikiriria umuthi na rucio from the assembly na mathina mau ni marorie nikenda tuko twina mbia mbiganu cia gupromote ara tukubata gupromote na aria marenda kuthie to the next job group mathie na aria makuthie to the permanent and pensionable tumatware kuo wavo kwina category ya medics kana aruti wira a ugima wa mwiri makoretwo makirifo ngiri 35 ni kwina proposal na gwitekania kuu yombagie ni make it an agreement kwina agreement ya maume from 35 to 50,000 ucio onaguo ni tureka thino budget ino turarikiriria undura tureka anagwa kwina mugomo ni turera andu etu metikio guturamera ni tondu riu tutena budget ugo marenda twike tutingivota matirago manu ndo gutwika misara ni tiarive musara wa mweri wa June ni marivirwe na July twako inthiru kuguru kurathi na kunja matirago ma nundwa gutwika tiarive misara magomete nundwa gutwika tumondu tu tunini tutigaru tutai twike lakini no turauga ni tukwika maundu mau niketha mathie na mbere na kuruta wira.
Kamiti ya mbunge ya seneti ya kuthuja utumiri bwa mbeca cia county nioretie NG wa polisi Douglas Kanja wikira pene gavana wa county Isiolo Abdi Guyo no ntubo kuremwa ni wikinya kiri kamiti umaita kathumba tariki 6 mweri wa 8 mwaka yu akere mukrediti wa kamiti Moses Kajwang ewete ndiwete mutugo wa gavana kuria wikinywa na gukaita kaukinya kawe kwa watu no kinywa ndene ya mbunge uki kiri kamiti u akiwa ntubo nende ukagutha na kwendwa bweba wengwa tariki 6 cia mweri wa 8 na ikinye mbere ya kamiti ukenda utariria akariba county Isiolo uratumirite mbeca cio.
Of Governor of Nairobi, Samburu and Isiolo declining to appear before accountability committee of this nature is an embarrassment to the accountability process and transparency. If these governors feel that it is hard and painful to account for the money under their care, the best they can do is just to resign and allow other Kenyans to run those offices and account. It is sad that the people of Isiolo today are waiting to listen to the money that belongs to them, which we raise through taxes, what's the development it has done in Isiolo. And Isiolo is being run like a kiosk. It's very sad to say that. And they being remote control. I'm told at the moment, Chair, Isiolo is under autopilot.
Our earlier directives to have the IG police produce the governor was reduced to summons on account of that history that our legal clerk has raised, that the governor has gone to court previously, I think on 2 occasions, to challenge the decision of the Senate. We wanted to be extremely careful to ensure that there was fair administrative action, to ensure that all the internal processes have been exhausted before asking the IG or police to produce the governor. We are convinced that we have been fair administratively. We are convinced that we have given appropriate notices. We are convinced that we have repeatedly attempted to have the governor appear before us through invitations, and he has chosen not to. Through summons, he has chosen not to. We are left with no option but to ask the IG police to bring him before us. And so we need to clarify that so that it does not look like our earlier orders were in vain. They were reduced to summons just to avoid a situation where the governor finds a loophole to run to court to quash the arrest warrants. But I will repeat that the Senate has got a lot of powers at its disposal. We have just not been very creative in the manner in which we apply those powers. So Thursday, 6th of August 2026 at 10 a.m., the Inspector General of Police will be directed to produce the governor of Isiolo. And if he wants to avoid drama, maybe he should produce himself on that day.
Otore kanya kono kaincho kerete na Nteto ingi.
Kwa garukire
Kutaka kanyakika kathongika wete green.
Nange
Karibuni. Ala. Nontu mathaizeterere na Thaa Mugwanja. Angire kantu gakuruma. Irio bya kuria.
ai ile kama yako kuigua.
Karioka ngentera bauga bwezea. Karibuni ibirombeni ibwega.
Au nongo eterete au. Bebe, mpimero ndugela nyomba, etere kariojo.
Chuka ndo mekaire.
Ete modugi. Ndoka imodugi ko yotumerete.
Afya Plus. Afya Plus. Inanga itazo. Zozo ronekana ndukene chionde. Na ndinyareka no. Na vitamins. Na minerals.
Chino kwa tukana ni wanyomba yo.
Zozo nane netosa. Afya Plus.
Anki menye kedhirire.
Karenio hau mburetere ntima. Motuzo Afya Plus ntima etingana.
Tembea kwingi kuona mengi. Naona tu ya kwanja ange na nyoroka tona bi
Afya Plus.
Nasho jumoto.
Motu te motu. Motu ya Afya Plus. Zogore ndukenerere akwe nagwe.
Get affordable monthly TV packages from Azam TV today. From kids shows, African and international movies, sports, local and international, breaking news, documentaries, telenovelas, and many more. Our monthly packages are 400 Kenyan shillings, 950 Kenyan shillings, or 1,500 Kenyan shillings only. Call us today on 0709 844 000. Azam TV. Entertainment for everybody.
Singo kusia morijo mwake bahatu igusenga na kuoreka buikonora na mbesa mukone eja tukonu orimi kinya ng'ombe rero teria lita 35
iri ari urondira ng'ombe mwe
munyanyo kwa tuite maguru nkuniene
hai no tuitere maguru nkuniene
nukone iji itena kinya nkorokie mwerijo mwe na ikendwa na arua
na mwerijo mwake
tega nkara tega nguku itu ethioga tueri tega isui tega pera itu patusanure
we tuchanure nito
wende gukura kirurimi na mbecha itonye mubukone jwaku tumira Joymax Feeds kirengoko ng'ombe ngurwe na ndethia ingi chionde Joymax Feeds kuma kwa Kavagara chaguo la mifugo.
Nuko thogani ya gweta sukuru kienda kuthomera undagitari thoganire gikeno gya kuja muritwa sukuru ikomenya gwitana na kuonania mantu tareria yokurugurira mirango ya muturire no gakarabwega na bangi aja utekuringa ndari ngugi ya undagitari yambaire na kumenya programs ire gwetania na kirio kwenda cukuru ya undagitari ikuonia rito gwetania bwega na ngugi ewe utungata bwega na mwajia kanganiro ikurigito indagitari utekuchetha karata na uturo bwawe nontu na kumenya uria kugita aja inyoga keno kithoma ukamenya talanta na interest ciaku na ukenerora kugwita nonto kithomo tikugo uturo bongi abo karungama jata ijoke theraja Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences ojokani bo mweri jo kenda ni bwetete na mbere campus yetu Thika na kinya campus Njero Nakuru nonto bwantete nkuru kitu ringerethi mo namba 0719 223 223 Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences committed to professional excellence.
Welcome to Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences.
For 22 years, the old Arsenal artillery has lain silent and dormant, but the fuse is about to go boom!
Muchama niyo kayothire otueta kembeche tena baita tiambi no oteko chenjia
motwaja gairo bitego tutethia neke
hai tokorega
ng'ombe ciako ichiraragire ngoko ciako itekorekia
ngurachagwa na guchenga igochenga
aremi ituigetwa matata jenu na ikio tuboretere mutaaramu irio bia ndethia
aha mugeni aremi betu nukumenya mtoto umagaruka augane nyina akio wize kuruga but with a nice choice mkombozi fins ituigetwe kirero kienu na nikyo tweza kubonokia irio bietu bithithetu na teknolojia ya kinande na itogotigira bire na quality na standard.
Nice Choice Fits ni irio bia ndethia kumba kamboni ya Nice Mwea twena irio bia ndethia cionthe tabio Dairy Mill, Maize Jam, Soy Wina, Pig Finisher, Chick Mash, Layers Mash, Kienyeji Mash na binge bibinge. Irio bietu bithondeki na ote abo kinande na standard ya iguru nikenda gutigira ndethia ciaku ciena riri na ugima bobogo wa mwire nikenda ugocha murimi wona umithio na baita kuma kire ndethia ciaku. Irio bietu bire agrovet karandukene cia kwendia irio bia ndethia irere ya kwinagwe nontutu county ne cia Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Embu, Nyeri, Laikipia, Kiambu, Nakuru na Nyandarua. Nice Choice Animal Feeds, siri yaku gwe murimi.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twist of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rainbow Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Arito baskuru yare yankwene ne bakungure tentuku yontuire kenda butika ulane kere mwari munene wa skuru ye oito nturo ne buteza sia ayuthi kumenya kaumo kwa ibaromba kwithira bena gwatanero na batika ulwe ina baumite mutuki kare aina ribotie.
Today we are celebrating our annual cultural day because Kenya is made up of 44 communities where we want to promote national unity, respect and appreciate various different communities' culture. And culture is a shared way of life where communities have their own customs, traditions, beliefs, the way of dressing, fashion, dance, and we want to appreciate that. And I'm asking my young generation to be proud of their culture and make sure that tribalism it's not in their vocabulary. Training them, we are mentoring them, we are coaching them. When they go out there, they should not forget their traditions. Let them be proud of their culture and where we come from. We identify by who we are. Let them go out there and shine, and so that other communities will be proud of their customs and traditions.
I am a proud former Miss Nkwene Girls 2023-2024, and after finishing and graduating from high school, I was able to engage and become Miss Imenti Meru County. This has brought me very many privileges and also earned me a lot of money, which has helped me to grow myself.
For this day that our principal has organized for us so that we can celebrate the cultural day. It's a very important day to embrace everybody's culture.
Let's support girls in talents, whether dancing, modeling, music creation, DJ, anything that your daughter or your son is interested in.
And it is not only books that can take them far, but also having the confidence and standing in front of the world and showing what they have. With the new curriculum, we are trying to build confidence in the learners and also to come up with solutions to various problems. Through our cultural day, it's a way of also solving the issues that are there in the country because it's also healthy and body wellness.
Uthia Nteto cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja gucokeria nkatho na tuko guthawatanirite na uni bobangoro yu yitene katiba kanjenzi.